Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I've just posted showing you how you can clean the app data folder on Windows 10 and Windows 11 to free up storage and disk space. And I'll leave the video linked if you'd like more info. And then just another quick video to show you how you can get back even more storage space on Windows 10 and Windows 11 by deleting unnecessary system restore points. Now, before I show you how to do that, just a quick recap. Having system restore points is important because they allow you to revert your computer to a working state should something go wrong after a major change, maybe a system update or a Windows update, or you've installed a new app and something goes wrong. You can always roll back to a previous state to basically recover your system. Now, just take note, though, that the default space that Microsoft has allocated to system restore points, I think, is 15% of your drive space. So if you've got a big drive, this can lead to the creation of system restore points you don't need, and then can take up multiple gigs of space. But just take note, though, that the fuller your drive gets, the slower your drive gets, especially on mechanical hard disk drives. So an easy way to control this is to reduce the designated size of the restore points. And this applies both to Windows 10 and Windows 11. So the best way to go about this is either doing a search in your start or search itself on your taskbar. And just type in restore. Click on create a restore point. And this is the legacy system properties dialog in menu for system protection. And then here you'll see configure. Click on that. And all you do is you would just drag your slider from whatever the allocated amount is. Normally 15%, I think it is by default. And you can see I've dragged my slider to the left down to 5%. I used to have it on 3, but I found that that wasn't keeping enough restore points, so I bumped it back up to 5. So that's at least 10% lower than the default on Windows. Now, it goes without saying that if you are more concerned about having more restore points, then obviously this wouldn't apply to you. Just leave your restore point at the default. But if you are maybe running a system that has limited storage or is running out of storage and you don't know why, this could be a reason, and moving this to a lower state could help in that regard. And still enough space, though, I find at 5% to give me enough restore points to roll back to if ever I run into an issue. So then you would move that to your desired. I would say anywhere between 3 and 5% is a good norm. And then you click on apply, click on OK, and you may have to restart your computer after doing that. But if not, I would suggest just restarting your computer anyway, because you are adjusting basically a system partition in Windows. So that's just a quick way how you can remove unnecessary system restore points to free up storage space on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.